magna cum laude. Romel La Luna Santiago, RMT.
October yan po kayo sila.
Maria Leonora Cardillo Tibayan. Jessica Febrina Huisan from Indonesia. Stephanie Melinda Yonatan from Indonesia. Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics, Eden Lapore Elisa, Class Associate Secretary.